Tired of chasing down recipients for their address after sending out a DocuSign envelope? Well, stick around because in the next 90 seconds, I'm going to show you exactly how to request an address directly within DocuSign, making data collection a breeze. First, log into your DocuSign account and click on New, then Send an envelope. Here, upload the document you need signed, then add your recipient like you normally would by entering their name and email address. Now, this is where the magic happens. Click on the Add Fields button next to your recipient's name. This opens the document for tagging. On the left-hand panel, find the address field under Standard Fields. Drag and drop this field onto your document where you need the recipient to enter their address. You'll notice it's already pre-formatted with fields for street address, city, state, and zip code. You can resize and reposition the address field as needed to fit your document's layout. To make sure your recipient fills out the address, click on the address field on the right-hand panel, check the required field box. Finally, add any other necessary fields and click Send. When you're ready, your recipient will now be prompted to fill out their address before they can complete the signing process, and that's it. You've successfully added an address request to your DocuSign envelope. Now you can collect the information you need hassle-free. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more DocuSign tips and tricks.